On to step 4. I decided to break this into two different videos. One where I'm just going to follow the instructions on the guide, and another one where I'm going to go in more detail on how resistors and LEDs work together. So this one, let's just get the soldering done, and then we'll talk more about the details behind it. You'll have your board, and you have 3 resistors. There are 2 of one set of colors and 1 of another set of colors. The instruction manual goes into more about the colors, and my other video will also. For this purpose, we're going to take the one with the green band. It's the second one, the green band. It's a 150 ohm resistor. I'm going to bend the leads like that, and then take our board and insert this into the R1 slots and pull it through, and you want to have it kind of nice and flush against the board like that. Now you can go ahead and solder this if you want, or you could do all 3 of these resistors at once. Let me first do the single one. So I'm going to kind of bend the leads out of the way so it doesn't fall. I'll put it in the helping hands. And here, as you know, you probably have that mantra in your head: heat the joint, add the solder. And this other one, it's kind of close to that one you just soldered, so you might have to kind of get in at a weird angle. This is part of the practice with soldering, so that you don't want these two right here to touch each other. Once that's done, take your side cutters and snip off the excess wire and discard. So you don't need that excess wire. For the other two are the same resistor, red, brown, I believe, and they will go into the R2 and the R3 slots. So as before, bend the leads and place them into the holes. Oh, see, I kind of bent that over. Oh, but I could yank it. If you have problems pulling the wire, use your needle nose pliers to do that. Also, note that for resistors, there is no polarity. There's no plus or minus for it. So you don't have to worry about which direction they go in. Now with the LEDs we will, but for resistors you do not have to worry about polarity. So you could put them in willy-nilly either way. Doesn't matter. So again, I'm kind of pulling these leads, so not only is everything tight. Oh, see, that one's not that tight. I gotta redo it. Redo the leads. Got it like that. Pop it into the helping hands, and off we go. We got that one, that one. Let me angle it here. This one. I should have plugged in my other helping hand. See, it's moving around a little bit. You want the board steady, otherwise it's going to be a hassle. Clean this up a little bit. Yeah, a little more solder. Okay. Not my greatest job, but not the worst either. So again, take your side cutters, snip off those leads. Snip off those leads, and then take a look at it and double check and make sure that everything is soldered nicely and not touching any other points. Also, you might use a magnifying glass. I have many magnifying glasses, or just look at it real close. So that is step 4. On to step 5.